The cooling euphoria in AI-linked chip stocks may be the most critical shift this quarter for institutional capital. We just saw SK Hynix US-listed shares slip nearly 8% after a strong Nasdaq debut, triggering broader weakness across global semiconductor names. This isn't just retail profit-taking. Something far more fundamental is happening, reflecting growing concerns over valuations and the sustainability of this exponential growth narrative. Let's first understand the core moat here. The AI chip sector isn't just a technology trend, it's the foundational infrastructure for the next industrial revolution. Its value proposition is simple yet profound, enabling unprecedented computational power. We are talking about everything from specialized GPUs to high-bandwidth memory, essential components that power large language models and advanced analytics. The intellectual property and manufacturing complexity are staggering, creating formidable barriers to entry. This matters because these chips aren't just incremental upgrades, they're transformative. Companies like NVIDIA, TSMC, and ASML represent different layers of this deep moat, from design to fabrication to the specialized equipment needed for production. Their combined innovation creates a powerful flywheel. The market has priced in significant future growth, driven by the belief that AI's demand curve will only steepen. But that assumption is now being tested by institutional investors looking at real-world capital expenditure cycles. Now, let's look at what the recent market action signals. While we don't have specific quarterly results for SK Hynix beyond its debut, the broad decline across semiconductor stocks, including major players, indicates a collective recalibration. Institutional capital is assessing whether current valuations reflect achievable margin expansion or if they've overshot. The perception of revenue metrics, especially for high growth, high multiple names, is shifting from endless upside to critical examination. This matters because a significant portion of the AI chip rally was forward discounted growth. Any sign of decelerating demand or increasing competition can trigger rapid profit-taking. We are seeing a repricing of risk, where the market is no longer blindly rewarding every AI-adjacent stock. The question isn't whether AI is real, but at what price is the future growth already priced in? This move suggests we are entering a phase of greater scrutiny on earnings visibility. Looking at the broader industry, management teams are heavily focused on execution strategy for AI integration. They're pouring capital into R&D for next-generation chips and expanding fabrication capacity. However, these are multi-year, multi-billion-dollar investments. The corporate guidance we are hearing from major players often points to sustained, but not necessarily infinite, growth. They must balance aggressive innovation with prudent capital allocation, especially when faced with potential cyclicality. Here's where capital allocation becomes interesting. Companies like Intel and Qualcomm are actively repositioning themselves within the AI landscape, trying to capture market share from dominant players like NVIDIA and AMD. This competitive jostling implies significant investment, which can initially compress margins before yielding returns. The market is now watching closely for signs of efficient capital deployment versus overinvestment in a sector that has seen parabolic moves. This impacts how institutional money views long-term shareholder value. Now look at how the broader macro environment is reacting. The semiconductor sector is inherently cyclical, and while AI provides a structural tailwind, it's not immune to higher interest rates, inflation, or global economic slowdowns. Enterprise spending on AI infrastructure could face headwinds if corporate profits tighten. The current environment demands that investors consider both the secular growth of AI and the baseline macroeconomic realities impacting capital expenditure cycles. The competitive landscape is also intensifying. While Nvidia holds a dominant position in AI GPUs, other players are aggressively innovating. New architectures, specialized AI accelerators, and custom chips from hyperscalers are all emerging. This dynamic environment means that while the overall pie is growing, individual slices might face increasing pressure. This creates a more complex landscape for investors trying to identify long-term winners and raises questions about sustained pricing power. That leads us to a bigger question regarding terminal risk. Beyond valuation, there are real vulnerabilities. Supply chain disruptions, often exacerbated by geopolitical tensions, remain a persistent threat. The cost inflation for raw materials and advanced manufacturing equipment can erode margins, even with strong demand. Furthermore, the sheer energy consumption of AI data centers presents a sustainability challenge that could lead to future regulatory pressures or higher operational costs for customers. Another emerging risk is regulatory pressure. Governments worldwide are scrutinizing the power and influence of large tech companies and the underlying infrastructure that fuels them. Policies related to data privacy, AI ethics, and even semiconductor export controls could impact the industry's growth trajectory and profitability. Institutional investors must factor these evolving regulatory landscapes into their multi-year investment theses as they introduce significant policy tailwinds or headwinds. Looking forward, the market appears to be pricing in a more moderated growth trajectory for the AI chip sector. While demand remains robust, the days of unlimited valuation expansion might be behind us for a while. Investors are seeking clearer earnings visibility and more tangible returns on capital. This doesn't mean the AI revolution is over. It simply means the market is maturing and demanding more accountability from these high-flying names. We are moving from a growth at any cost mindset to a sustainable growth narrative. This valuation reassessment will likely lead to capital rotation within the sector. Money might shift from the most extended, pure-play AI chip designers towards foundational semiconductor companies with strong balance sheets and diversified revenue streams, or even towards less speculative parts of the AI supply chain. The multi-year thesis for AI is absolutely intact, but the entry points and the risk premiums associated with it are fundamentally changing. So, what's our tactical review? For some of the overextended names in AI-linked chips that have seen parabolic moves, this market action represents a clear trim consideration. Institutional managers will be looking to book profits and reallocate. However, this also creates a breakout watch opportunity for companies with strong underlying technology and reasonable valuations that might have been overlooked during the initial euphoria. Look for structural momentum in less speculative parts of the semiconductor ecosystem. The SK Hynix situation, while specific, is a powerful bellwether for the entire AI chip market. It signals a critical repricing of risk and a demand for more disciplined investment theses. The future of AI is bright, but the path for investors will be less about blind faith and more about granular, institutional-grade analysis. For continuous, in-depth market intelligence like this, make sure you subscribe to SR Money News. Hit that like button, leave your comments below, and join our community of sophisticated investors.